Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I am going to camera test Samsung Galaxy M05. The smartphone comes with dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 8 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 1080 60 fps video, and this is a video sample, and as you can see that the video quality is average quality. Now talk about the picture quality. By default, the smartphone take a 12 megapixel, but you can change 50 megapixel just one click. Daylight, you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is pretty good. Now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography is decent. You can take a good photo with a good lighting condition. So if you have a good lighting condition, you can take a pretty much good photo. Overall, this entry-level smartphone you can take a enough good photo. So that pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.